Linguine with roasted broccolini, toasted breadcrumbs, a little bit of lemon juice in those breadcrumbs, olive oil, garlic, coming up right now. So I ran out of bread. I had 2 pieces of leftover bread. I didn't have any more than that, so I just added some store-bought breadcrumbs. And old bread's probably a little bit better, but it's really not gonna make a difference. So we have parsley in here, we have lemon juice, olive oil, garlic, salt. They're seasoned well. We're gonna put them on at the end, kind of like a poor man's cheese, even though we are gonna use Parmesan cheese in here. Maybe in the past, people would use a little bit of Parmesan cheese and then they would extend it with having more toasted breadcrumbs. Just for simplicity's sake, we're gonna do both of these at 400 degrees. You can take the breadcrumbs now and you can just kind of squish them with your hands. If you want more texture, you can leave some of them pretty large. They turn to nothing by just doing that. Broccolini got nice char on it in a lot of spots like that. I hit the broil up for like the last 30 seconds right at the end. Probably about 16 minutes, 17 minutes it went. Let it cool for a second. Once you can handle it, let's chop it up into pieces. All right, so we have everything prepped. Turn on the heat to medium-low. And we got the big pan again, starting to make regular appearances. So many of you asked me about it. It's Vigor brand. It's on websteronstore.com. It is not on Amazon. So when you're using a stainless steel pan, always heat it up for 2 to 3 minutes before you put oil down. It will allow the oil to skate and you will have no sticking on your pan whatsoever. All right, so about 1/4 cup of olive oil down here. Don't be afraid of olive oil. Coat the pan, really coat the pan. I know there's like an oil-free diet now. This is not the oil-free channel. I'm gonna put the garlic right in. Just get it golden, couple minutes, it's all you need. I'm gonna put 2 tablespoons of kosher salt in my water. A little bit of pepper in there, hot red pepper. Okay, and then the garlic's turning golden already, as you can see. See if you can see a piece right there. See it? So right away, we're good. Gonna get our pasta in. It says 12 minutes. This is linguine to check up. And just stir it so it doesn't stick. Linguine does have a tendency to stick. And just like the pasta with broccoli, I'm gonna put some, not really pasta water yet in here, but just enough to get it going. We'll let this continue to cook over medium-low just so it softens up. Doesn't that look phenomenal? I'm impressed with that. Let's take a bite of it. Hope you enjoyed this one. See you next time.